Hey everybody, Nick here, also known as the Bearded Housewife, and welcome to another paper crafting video. Today I have a really cute shadow box for you. This is my Cowboy Gnome shadow box. Isn't that fun with that little gnome there with his little lasso? You've got the hay bales right there in the front. Just an overall really cool Western theme. I'm really anticipating the return of one of our favorite shows to watch right now, which is Yellowstone, and it really inspired me to make this project. It's really simple to put together, and I can't wait to show it to you. Before we get started, make sure to hit like and smash that subscribe button so you don't miss out on any paper crafting fun. And with that, let's get to it. Step 1. Get the SVG Cut File. Here we are at my website, thebeardedhousewife.com. If you don't have an account created already on my website, you can head to the sign up button. You'll be brought to a page that explains all of our different membership tiers. We have free, monthly, and annual memberships. You can go ahead and select which option is right for you. But for now, I'm going to go ahead and click sign in. I'll go ahead and type in my credentials and log into the website. And now we've logged into our account. To access the file library, use the main navigation bar and head to the Files tab. Go ahead and click the File Library, and then you're brought to all the files. For this project, you're going to want to look for number 223. That is the Cowboy Gnome shadow box. Go ahead and download the file to your computer. Make sure to unzip the file, and then we can open up Cricut Design Space. Step 2. Upload the design to Cricut Design Space. Now that we have a new project open in Cricut Design Space, we can go ahead and click Upload, Upload Image, and Browse. Find where we downloaded the file onto our computer and click Open, and Upload. Highlight the image, and click Add to Canvas. Step 3. Resize the design. And you'll see that our design has been brought into our canvas. Now I have sized this project to fit inside the inner dimensions of the shadow box that I'll be using for this project. I have that particular shadow box listed in the materials list, so go ahead and check that out. If you are using a different shadow box or possibly using this as a card, you can go ahead and use the sizing options up here to resize the design. One thing that I would say is to make sure to keep the proportions locked. That way the design is not distorted at all. Since this is already sized appropriately, I'll go ahead and click Make It. And you'll see the different mats for this project. Go ahead and click Continue. I'll be using medium cardstock for this project. I'll go ahead and get everything cut out, and I'll see you when it's time to assemble. Step 4. Cut out the design. Step 5. Assemble your project. Okay, so I have everything all cut out, so it's time to go ahead and start to put everything together. So to layer this design together, we're going to start from back to front with the white layer, blue, dark brown, beige, red. I'm using black, but in the design this is actually a dark green color. Green, and then cream. But don't worry, I do have a layering guide within the download that will help visualize how to layer all these different pieces together. Now for the shadow box, you can do one of two things. You can add a whole bunch of foam squares to add some dimension between the different layers, or you can stack the layers together just to stack them on top of each other. I'm going to be adding some foam squares behind the dark brown layer and then this green layer right here. So I'm going to go ahead and put the foam squares on, and then I'm going to grab my shadow box. Okay, so I have my foam squares here on the back of some of those different layers. I've got my shadow box all ready to go, so I'm just going to go ahead and start layering everything together. And now I'll go ahead and close up the shadow box. And there is our Cowboy Gnome shadow box. Isn't that so fun? I love how cute he is. Wasn't this so easy to put together? I love that little gnome. He just looks like he's getting his business done. If you like this project, I hope that you post it in our Facebook group. We have thousands of card making and paper crafting friends who love to motivate and support each other, and we would love to see your creations. There's a link down below for you to check it out. Until next time, I'm Nick, I'm the Bearded Housewife, and I will see you at the next paper crafting video. Bye!